Who are the sandwich generation? People who queue for an artisan stack? Appreciate an easy bite? They could be both those things. But they're also the 1.5 million Australians caring for ageing parents while raising children and recognising their wellbeing matters. The sandwich generation are adult Australians who have ageing parents as well as their own young family that they're raising. They're also pursuing their own careers. Around 73% of Australian households are double income homes. In my role at Australian Unity, the common challenges that I hear from them are around time and how to get the most out of the time they have, given all the things they're juggling. They're often navigating a huge cognitive and emotional load. My biggest piece of advice for this cohort is to start the planning early and start well in advance of where you think the need is right now. Try to look ahead and anticipate the pathway of support that your parents and you are likely to need. The earlier you can start to have conversations with parents about their futures, the easier it is for them to be involved in the decisions and to have their wishes known. If you're just starting to navigate life in the sandwich generation, it can help to remember that tough weeks will happen. Investing time in planning ahead can help you get through the tough weeks. Whether your parents need additional support at home or you're worried about the financial aspect of their care, there are supports available. Follow our Sandwich Generation series for helpful information and resources.